Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by getting both iPhones ready. Sign into the same Apple ID or set up family sharing so subscriptions transfer. This is how Apple authorizes access. Make sure both devices run the latest iOS and have the Apple Music app updated, because mismatched versions can block syncing. Once done, connect them to a solid Wi-Fi network and enable Bluetooth for device discovery. This speeds playlist transfers and makes device handoffs reliable. Next, you'll perform the sync. On the source iPhone, open Settings Music and toggle Sync Library so your playlists and likes are stored in iCloud. This lets the target iPhone pull the same library. If you prefer family sharing, invite the other Apple ID and accept the invite on that device so Apple Music access is shared. Then, on the target iPhone, enable Sync Library and sign into the same Apple ID or accept the shared subscription. This pulls your content over. To finish, open the Music app on the target iPhone and wait for the library to sync. You should see playlists, albums, and liked songs appear. Make sure downloads are re-added for offline listening by tapping the download icon next to albums or playlists. If something fails, sign out and back into Apple ID, restart both phones, and verify network access. This clears authorization hiccups and forces a fresh sync. Most issues resolve with those 3 steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.